What's up everybody, John from Old Reading Farm here. Thanks for joining us today. Today I'm going to show you how we're building one of our market gardens. We're doing it over here where we just put in this fence the other day to keep the dogs out. This is where our berry patch is going to be. So what I have done so far is marked out where our rows are going to be. So this is all inspired by Josh Satin. My wife and I watched some of his market garden videos and got really inspired and wanted to try some of our own. So these are going to be 30-inch wide rows with 14 inches in between them. So you can see I'm actually using like some old window frames as stakes because we're big into reusing things and don't want to go out and buy wooden stakes that are just going to fall apart if we don't have to. And so what we're going to do is we are going to lay down some cardboard as our weed block. Then we're going to put, our ladies are out there, we're going to put some alpaca manure down on top of that. Then we're going to build up compost beds where we're going to plant, and we'll put mulch in between. Hopefully we won't have any weeds. Weeds have always been a problem, especially over here. This used to be all forsythia and just nasty weeds of doom. So yeah, so you can see I've already got the rows marked out. So next step is to lay down the cardboard. Then I'm gonna mark out where my rows are gonna be with string going across. And then maybe go getting some compost. We shall see. Let's get to work. All right, so we were able to lay our cardboard down and mark out our rows, and I think we ended up with more than what I originally thought. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It was only supposed to be 9, so, but that's a good thing. More space. Got all our cardboard down, it's all marked out. So the next step is to go get some compost, a lot of compost. So, gonna go grab the truck and see what we can do. Stick around. right, guys, so we are almost 100% complete with this market garden. We have one bed that's not completely full of compost, but everything else is done. We are super excited about how this looks. We hope you guys like it. We hope that it grows stuff for us. That would be great. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give us a like, leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and also be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified the next time we post a video. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye.